Vizio today announced new revisions of its entire range of 4K TVs for consumers, with the latest news from the P, M series, D series and E series that will arrive in stores in the coming weeks. All once again have TV tuners and coaxial inputs built in. At the top of the 2018 family is a completely new flagship, the Quantum P series. Available only on a 65-inch model, the P-Series Quantum is the company's brightest TV and reaches a maximum brightness of 2000 nits. That should make things like fire, explosions and other HDR goodness really explode to the point where you need to look away from the screen. For context, the old P-Series exceeded 500 nits in some HDR scenes. The Quantum P-Series also has more full matrix local attenuation zones 192 compared to up to 120 inches in the regular Pages 2018 series, so you must turn off some of the best contrasts and deepest blacks you've ever seen. A Vizio brand TV. And as Samsung has done with its QLED line, Vizio is now referring to quantum dot technology as a differentiator and the main reason for the exuberant colors of the Quantum P series and its extended range. The company is not becoming very specific at this point at the moment. It has a price of $2,199.99, which is higher than the sale price of $1,799.99 for the non-Quantum P series of Vizio in the same size. The P-Series Quantum will be released sometime this summer, beating a bit the rest of the lineup. That the regular Pages 2018 series is not far behind either. It does not have the technology of quantum dot or so many areas of attenuation, but has the design without bevel, although with a more noticeable silver chin at the bottom of the screen. That is still a very nice improvement over the obvious silver border that framed the screen of its predecessor. The number of attenuation zones in the new P-Series depends on the size. The 55-inch model has 56, 65-inch has 100 and the 75-inch TV has 120. The maximum HDR brightness is announced as 1000 nits, another nice hit over the previous Series P. As always, it has incorporated Dolby Vision HDR. All sizes are using VA panels this year, including the 55-inch variant that differed from the rest of the line with an IPS panel the last time.